Gigabyte 3D mouse. I bought this case to replace my old one that has an air duct. This is a Hack A6. This is the Gigabyte 3D mouse. But before I begin, there's one issue with it. You see, I have a GTX 280 here, and this latch is supposed to lock in video cards or any cards, and I can't close it because the cooler of the GTX 280 is blocking those things there. So maybe Gigabyte can see this video and tell me what I can do about it. Until then, I have to use some screws. Okay, done. This Gigabyte case is all aluminum, and it costs less than Lian Li's aluminum and Swiftech aluminum, or aluminum for Americans. I have a Core i7 920 in it, 6 gigs of G-Skill RAM. So this case has two exhaust fans, 120mm, one in the front, and they are all connected using the same connector to the motherboard. I connected it to the front power connection behind the video card. So one power connection for all of them. There is also two 80mm intake fans for Harddrive cooling, and the 120 behind this. I will uncover this front panel. Remove, you have access to the filter here of the intake 120. This is the front panel. You see, it has a mirror here. Maybe it helps cooling. It's all aluminum. Aluminum or aluminum. The hard drive cage can be mounted in two ways, like this, or you can take the hard drive cage, and if you pull this, it can be like that, and then it will be in a different direction. It locks in, and then you use two thumb screws to tighten it. But I prefer it the other way. You can clean this dust filter for the intake fan, wash it, and put it back in. Yes. I put the drive back how I like it. There's an optional mesh for the side panel, or as you can see, this is the box for the case. It has details about the case. It says 3D mouse, Gigabyte. Oh, I chose to put on the window. It actually came installed with the mesh first, and I put the window. So I'll put the side panels back and the front panel back, and then continue. The case came with this cloth to clean it. Now all the side panels are on. I'm gonna turn it on this time. I won't forget to put this. See, green here. It's good. I think it looks pretty nice inside. I'll tell you why I got this and not the Antec 902 that I also considered before I got this. I think this looks better. I like the power button. It's cheaper than the Antec 902. It's all aluminum or aluminum. It's cheaper, it looks better. Maybe it has better cooling, maybe not. There are water cooling holes here. This is the back. I really like the quality. It feels like a very quality. It feels like high quality. I mean, see, it even says on the box that they advertise their water cooling kits here. Gigabyte 3D Galaxy liquid cooling system upgrade option. I still have the stock fan of the i7. Processor thermal margin 51C. I think it's probably 50 Celsius if this is the thermal margin. I never quite figured out how it works. Motherboard ambient 30C and the temperature is 21 Celsius in the room. It's not bad, it's fairly quiet. The feet are retractable. I can go in or out. This is real temps running. It's idling. See? It's still doing something with the hard drive. Even though I don't have much running. I only have Steam. Let's test it. Let's do it on maximum heat. I'll show you what it came with. It came with this box. It has some adapters and more thumb screws. It came with a manual and of course the cleaning cloth. Okay, now we see. We hear something. I think these temperatures are regular for stock fan. I'm not sure. But it's still fairly quiet. It's a very pretty case. See how it goes with the temperatures. Yeah, and 21 Celsius room temperature, I think it's fine. Maybe I need better cooling for the CPU. Anyway, I hope you liked the video. I'm not a professional video reviewer. I haven't seen any review about this case, the Gigabyte 3D mouse. I tried to search YouTube, so this is actually why I made the video, to be the first Gigabyte 3D mouse video review. Hope you like it. Bye.